Dreaming of YouTube fame and that sweet monetization badge? Let's get you on the right track. Alright, step 1. Create your YouTube channel and start uploading content you genuinely enjoy. Consistency is key. Try to upload at least once a week. And don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Just hit record and go for it. Step 2. Get engaged. Ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. It's not just for fun. The more people interact, the more YouTube recommends your videos. So, don't be shy. Remind them at the start and end of each video. Step 3. Meet the requirements. To get monetized, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. That means you need people watching your videos for a total of 4,000 hours. Yep, it takes some patience. Step 4. Once you hit those milestones, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll need to turn on two-step verification and follow all of YouTube's guidelines. Then submit your application and wait for approval. Bonus tip: focus on quality and community. Respond to comments, join YouTube groups, and keep learning about what works. The more you connect with your audience, the faster you'll grow. So whether you're vlogging, gaming, or sharing tutorials, remember, it all starts with one upload. Hit that record button, keep improving, and you'll reach monetization before you know it. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means everything. See you on the next video.